Hello and welcome to the fourth tutorial video on web design with WordPress with Blockstock Enterprise. Alright, so after we've what's it called now, included add-ons, right? We've activated the Namecheap and waited for a while, and you want to now confirm that your security is live. You have to click Namecheap SSL, which means Namecheap secure server language, and you navigate to click install via Namecheap, and then you see it's active. Good. Now, having done this, the next step is to scroll down, go back to the home page from either here or here. This is how you go back to the dashboard of here. Alright, okay, now we're here. I usually don't do back because of errors in time past I've observed. So what do? We either choose here WordPress or choose here. Alright, so let's do here. I think one is for back end, the other is for front end, but either of them works. But let's do WordPress. I believe the steps are pretty simple to follow. Okay, pretty simple to follow. Alright, so okay. So what do we do next? When we go to WordPress, you do install. We won't choose quick install, we choose custom install, so we can see other options we want to work with. Quick install would hide some important options. Okay, so what we need to do at this point is include choose installation URL, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, this with the suffix. This is what we need. Okay, this or this. I always go for this because I know www is some form of formality. So I don't really attach so much attention to it because with or without it. So run. Nice. So you saw what I just did. It's loading to confirm. So it was not found. But then let me try the one with www, because you saw when the secure server language said good, so I'm surprised, it's saying not found. I think it's some error or something because it told us it was found. Give us a free SSL, so I'm going to use this. Let me refresh this page. You know, excuse me, please. I'm recording this video in the night. I mean, tired, but necessary. This is what we're looking at. Let's see. So in your blog name, you can decide to, of course, it's adjusted. That was some network error. Yeah, we passed the test of um, including it in the add-on and turning on SSL. Right, very important step we went through in previous videos. So, right. So let's say Betlow is preferred, or it's a betting site. So my site name can be the cheapest, or the affordable rather. Your affordable, I'm trying to use marketing terms here. Your affordable betting site, affordable betting platform in where? In the East. I'm just trying to come up with something very creative. The site description can be So it can be you always win. You're more like your motto. You motto can be never let never lose a penny or something. I don't know if you can. I'm just trying to be creative. And then your admin username, something very unique you can remember. Betlow, and your password should be Betlow at 2021 underscore exclamation. But let's get to 80 most times. That's the recommended standard. 85 good. Betlow at 2021. Make sure you save it somewhere not on this place, maybe in your notepad or something. Just find somewhere so that they say the shortest pencil is stronger than the longest memory, right? Find a place to save your password. Okay, just find a place to save it, as well as your username. Okay, so somewhere safe. Okay, good. We'll need it. I'll show you where we'll need it. And then your email. Some people want to do. I always love info anyway. Info, there's admin ads. Those are good emails to choose. Please and please don't fail to tick your classic editor. That's the simplistic editor so far in WordPress, which I love, and they know people love it, so they left it there. That's a very beautiful. They know their customers relate with it the most. So you change automated backups to once a month, and then your rotation to once. Okay, these are the two things you have to change in these advanced options. Leave every other thing the way you saw it. Okay? Don't do auto upgrade, because most times if you do it, there are minor updates that you may not want to do, and if you do them, they would affect your website. Okay, since you're not coding, but you're building with what? With WordPress. I also show you how to code with HTML5 and CSS3. Basically, I'll just summarize it. What was responsible for what section is responsible. So, alright, so at this point, we want to call it a day. We don't want to choose any theme at all, else we'd have gone with a default theme, but we don't. So we just install. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.